It's plumbing time. Steam unit. Bad. We're gonna swap it out. A little swappy. Let's get started. Milwaukee sucks. Now I have to do electrical. Electrical's easy. It's time for some anxiety. Milwaukee still sucks. Just gotta love CPVC. I love twirling the nuts in my fingers. Had to make it longer. Time to put the big boy pants on. Now we just reverse the uninstall. It ain't rocket science. Alright, now what the fuck do I do? I missed the hole. It's not the first time. Black to black, red to black, because that makes sense. Now let's get to the real work, the plumbing. I know some of y'all like watching that wrist action on those nuts. Yeah, that's right. I just did that. I put a shark bite on it. What? Like a glove. Don't forget to wipe your dribbins. Y'all want to watch me get rigid? These are my keens. It's done.